When a spirit is broken, why go on when there's